Hey, hello everyone. Let's look at operators in JavaScript. In this session, let's see arithmetic and assignment operators in JavaScript. I already created a file named testoperators.js and I added a multi-line command. Okay, let's see what is operator first. Operator is nothing but a symbol which will perform the action. This will perform some action. For example, this plus is a addition symbol. This will perform the addition operation. That's it. In arithmetic operators, we have different types of operators. We have number of operators. For example, this plus symbol is for addition. It's a addition operator. And minus symbol is for subtraction. This star symbol is for multiplication. This double star is for exponentiation. This forward slash is for division. This percentile symbol is for modulus. This plus plus is for increment and minus minus is for decrement. Okay, the same way we do have assignment operators. This equal to symbol is for assign. This plus equal symbol is for add and assign. This minus equal symbol is for subtract and assign. This star equal symbol is for multiply and assign. We do have other assignment operators like forward slash equal to is for division and assign. Percentage equal to is for modulus and assign, like that. For each arithmetic operator, we do have along with the assignment symbol, we do have assignment operators too. Okay, let's see each of this in action. Let's see arithmetic operator first. Let me create some variables. Let me create some variable. Let a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. Okay, if I say let sum is equal to a plus b, this is a simple example to show both arithmetic and assignment operator in action. We declared a variable named sum, and this symbol is for assignment operator, and this symbol is for arithmetic operator. We just added a and b and assigned it with the help of this assignment operator into sum. Okay, let's see this addition, division, subtraction one by one. Okay, for that, let me create variables like yeah, let the addition is equal to a plus b. This is addition. Let subtraction is equal to a minus b. Okay. Let multiply is equal to a star b. Okay. And let exponential, let expo is equal to a star star b. That is 2 to the power of 4. Okay. And yeah, division and modulus. Let division is equal to a forward slash b. Or we can put like b forward slash a also. Okay, let modulus equal to modulus is, let's say, a percentile symbol e. Okay. Let each of this in the output console.log. Output is equal. You should add this plus symbol addition comma plus subtraction. And let's see the output. So addition should be a plus b 6. Subtraction should be a minus b 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay, let's look at the output. Okay, addition is 6 and multiplication, sorry, subtraction is minus 2. Now let's see the remaining things. Multiply and expo. So multiplication is 2 star 4 is 8. Same way 2 to the power of 4. Okay. So output, yeah, that is 8 and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Okay. Remaining things, what is missing? Division, division and modulus. The division is 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and modulus is nothing but it's a remainder of division. Okay. Let me add a command. Remainder of division is modulus. Okay, so 2 divided by 4, the remainder is 2. Okay, if I put like 5 divided by 4 means, let's see the output. Okay, you can see, right, the remainder should be 1, that is modulus. Now there are two operators remaining, plus plus and minus minus. Let me clear the output, close the output. So in that also there are two operators like increment and decrement rate. That post increment is there, and pre-increment is there. Okay, if I put like plus plus a means this is pre-increment. I already incremented this, and then only I am putting a. So what will happen is, so 5 is already assigned to a, right? So it is already, it will increment and a will come. Okay, and if you put like b plus plus means this is pre-increment, this is post-increment. Let's see the output so that we can understand. A, b. Okay, the actual value of a and b is 5 and 4. Let's see after pre-increment and post-increment what is the value. You can see, right, this is already incremented. So a is already incremented and give the value as 6. B is, b value is 4, and after that it is incremented and it's given the value as 5. Okay, the same way let's see, like a minus minus, and yeah, minus minus b. This is decrement operator, post decrement and pre decrement. Okay, you can see the values are reduced, right, 4 and 3. That's it about arithmetic operators. Let's see assignment operators. We delete this. So assignment operator, we already have this. A value is assigned to 5, b value is assigned to 4. This is one assignment operator. Okay, now let me add like a is equal to a plus b. Okay, now what happened is a and b is added and it is assigned to the value a. Okay, now let me print the same in output console.log. uh, Value of a is a. Okay, so the output should be 9, right? Okay, that's good. Now add and assign is, instead of writing like this a is equal to a plus b, you can write like a plus equal to b. Sorry, I mean you should not write like this, it will throw an error. Plus and equal symbol should come nearby, then only it will take it as add and assign operator. Okay, a plus equal to b. Like now also this is actually equal to a is equal to a plus b. Okay, let's see the output should be 9 only. Okay, a is equal to a plus b. Okay, in the same way, subtract a minus equal to b. Okay, this is equal to a is equal to a minus b. Okay, so what should be the output? A minus b, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, right? Let's see the same in output. Considering value of a is 1 now. Okay, now multiplication. A star equal to b, which is equal to A is equal to A star B. Okay, so output should be 5 into 4, 20. Okay. In the same way, if you use modulus operation, empty separate modulus is remainder of division. So 5 divided by 4, A modulus B. This is the actual. But with the help of assignment operator, we can write like this. Simply in JavaScript. Okay. So A modular division, A percentile equal to B. The output should be 1. The value of A is 1. So this is how we should use arithmetic operators and assignment operators in JavaScript. Think we are good. Thanks for watching.